Hello everyone, how's it going? And welcome back to Simple Crypto. Today, I'm going to show you how to set up an Immutable X wallet and buy an NFT. But first, what is Immutable X? Immutable X is the first layer 2 NFT marketplace on Ethereum, which means you can buy NFTs with zero gas fees and instant trades. So first things first, head over to immutable.com. From here, go to the Marketplace tab from the main menu. This is where you'll find the NFTs available on the platform, but we'll first need to add funds before we're able to purchase anything. So we're now going to connect to our MetaMask wallet. If you don't have a MetaMask wallet already set up, don't worry. We made a super simple video on this that you can check out and come back here once you've got it set up. Now, go ahead and click the Connect Wallet tab in the top right of the screen, which will prompt a pop-up window from Immutable X. Here we can sign into our wallet, agree to the terms and conditions, and there you go. We're now connected and have a wallet set up on Immutable X. We can now deposit currency from our MetaMask wallet for use on the NFT marketplace. To do this, make your way to the Inventory tab and then click Deposit. There are a few options here of which currencies you can deposit. We're going to opt for Ethereum. For the purposes of this demonstration, we're just going to add a small amount for a single NFT, but you can add as much as you like. Bear in mind, whatever amount of currency you want to deposit will need to already be available in your MetaMask wallet on the Ethereum mainnet. Select how much you'd like to deposit, click Continue, and sign the transaction in your MetaMask wallet when prompted. You'll have to pay an initial gas fee to transfer from the Ethereum mainnet, but once your funds have been transferred, there are no gas fees for peer-to-peer transactions on the Immutable X network. And it's as easy as that. After a few minutes of waiting, we can now see that our Ethereum has been deposited to Immutable X, and we're ready to buy some NFTs. So let's head back to the Marketplace tab to browse the available NFT projects on Immutable X. To buy an NFT, click on one that you'd like to buy, make sure you have the right available balance in your wallet, and click Buy Now. Confirm this purchase in the pop-up window, and it's that simple. If we head back to the Inventory tab, you can now view your newly purchased NFT along with any other future NFTs you buy. And that's it. Thank you guys very much for watching. I hope this tutorial has been helpful. If you enjoyed the video or would like to learn more about crypto, then don't forget to subscribe and let us know in the comments what other videos you'd like to see. We'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.